Yeah, that's my Samsung Odyssey. Nothing is wrong with it. I'm just gonna put an arm on it because I just wanna remove the stand. I look everywhere in the internet to see if I can find a place or somebody that posts a video how to remove it. Nobody has it. See the two little screws right there, right? There's nothing to do with them. I thought like if I unscrew them, they would just allow me to just remove the stand. Nope. See, it still have the plastic on it. I put the sheet on the floor so nothing happened to the monitor. So those two little things just help the legs to stay straight or bend down. So that's what they just help that stand done. But they're not allowing you to move it. First of all, you can remove this the back. You can remove the back, or you can just leave it there. See the thing in the middle, the little circle right there in the middle? You just have to pull it apart. And you have to put from left to right. You gotta pull it with 2 hands, and then it will come out. Let me show you. There we go. After you remove it, because you still got the stand screw into this, you just have to unscrew. You just have to unscrew those screws right there. You just have to loosen them up, and that'll be it. So this one right there, you unscrew it. You cannot use a drill because the handle of it, or you can use a drill if you got a long head. Okay, the first one's out. There's 4 of them, 2 on each side. I'm doing the second one. Guess it's good too. Just a little impatient, that's all. That's it, second one's out. Let's go to the other side. A drill would probably be better, because this is if you want it to get done quick. Okay, this one's already done too. Okay, do the last one. Okay, see the screw's already out, but the funny thing is, see right there, see that little blue thing right there? There's a little blue, see the little blue thing right there? The metal is inside of it. So the best thing is to just lift it. See when you lift it, you lift it like this and you pull it. See? Because it was inside here. It was inside of it. Just pull it out. After you unscrew the 4 screws, you just have to tilt it and get it out. See, voila. That's it. Leg is out. See? That's it.